Whynter ARC-1230WN emerges as a premium portable air conditioner choice in 2024. This dual-hose powerhouse is celebrated for its efficiency in cooling spaces as large as 600 square feet. Reviewers have lauded the Whynter ARC-1230WN for outperforming competitors in cooling capacity and user-friendly features during evaluations. This model stands out not just for its cooling prowess, but also for its seamless integration with a sophisticated mobile application. This app elevates user experience by offering granular control over fan speed, directional airflow, and customizable schedule. Moreover, this model introduces geofencing capabilities, enabling the air conditioner to automatically power down or spring to life based on your proximity to your home, enhancing both convenience and energy efficiency. Installation on the Whynter ARC-1230WN is notably straightforward, courtesy of its cohesive dual-hose system and a user-friendly window kit. Its ease of maneuverability and exceptionally low noise level, recorded at just 58.4 decibels, further contribute to its appeal. While a remote control is provided, the ability to manage settings via a smartphone app adds a layer of modern convenience. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, the Whynter ARC-1230WN boasts a cooling efficiency 20% higher than its peers, alongside an impressive 40% savings in energy consumption, achieving desired temperatures in half the time. Its unmatched cooling effectiveness positions the Whynter ARC-1230WN as the unparalleled option in the realm of premium air conditioners. For those prepared to allocate the budget for this high-caliber unit, it represents a sound investment in superior climate control. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.